Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session we are going to discuss selection or decision making control statements. So guys, let's get started. Guys, in any programming language there is a need to perform different tasks based on the condition. For example, consider an online website where when you enter your correct username and password, then it displays dashboard or welcome page. Otherwise, it displays an error. So there must be a logic in the code that matches the username and password. And if the condition is true, therefore it will display a dashboard or welcome page, else you will get an error page. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss selection or decision making control statements. Guys, selection or decision making control statement decides the sequence in which instruction in the program is to be executed. Actually, decision making is about deciding the order of execution of statements based on certain conditions, or repeat a group of statements until certain specified conditions are met. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the few examples of decision making control statements. So these are the few decision making control statements available in C programming. First one is if statements, second one is if else statements, third one is nested if statements, and the next is switch statement, and the last is conditional operator or ternary operator. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.